Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You act now, retrieve the order number and the vessel's current position, because many vendors use location to authorize changes. Then check the cancellation window and your payment method, since refunds depend on timing and bank rules. Once done, open the vendor app or place a direct call, explain you're on a boat, and give ETA. Make sure someone on deck can receive messages, because confirming identity and delivery coordinates is often required to stop fulfillment. You must be precise. Use the app's cancel option and screenshot every confirmation. That proof speeds disputes. If the app isn't responsive, call customer service and state the order number, your boat location, and why you cancel. Polite clarity shortens hold times. After they confirm cancellation, ask for a reference number and the refund timeline, since transit delays or delivery attempts at sea can trigger fees. Keep a log of names, times, and any follow-up steps they give you. You finish by monitoring your account for the refund, because vendor windows vary and banks may take extra days. Make sure the crew knows to refuse any delivery or to reroute parcels to a port agent. This prevents accidental acceptance. If the order is charged despite confirmation, escalate. Contact the vendor's dispute team with screenshots and timestamps, and if necessary, file a bank dispute. This evidence-focused approach gets results faster than vague complaints, so keep everything organized and time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.